For my two foods, I chose to do two staple Brazilian dishes, brigadeiro and pão de queijo. Brigadeiro is basically just a traditional and simple dessert. It's a small, bite-sized chocolate ball made out of condensed milk that's covered in chocolate sprinkles, though there are other variations like using coconut and nuts to make the brigadeiro. On the other hand, pão de queijo is basically just a Brazilian cheesy bread. Now, for the pão de queijo, I just use frozen pre-made pão de queijos that you just pop into the oven and they're ready, so I didn't get any footage for that. However, I did get footage of my mother and I making the brigadeiro, which is a fairly simple process for such a delicious treat. We began making the brigadeiro by pouring condensed milk into a pot. Then, we added chocolate powder and butter and stirred on low to medium heat until it looked like this. Afterwards, we let it sit and then come back to it the next day. After we let it sit, we can roll it up into little balls and then cover in chocolate sprinkles as shown on screen. Then, the way you would traditionally do it is place it on little plastic wrappers as shown on screen once again, and place it in the fridge to get cold or just eat them straight. Though I prefer for them to be cold, otherwise it's very sticky and melted, which I don't really like, but everyone has their own preference. And ta-da! That's how you easily make yourself a delicious and small treat.